Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where we can having fun and learn with a drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw a pear, the fruit. This one we will start with everything. Settle here, the pencil and the paper. Hope you guys also preparing. Alright, at the beginning I will start with the green color. Right, you guys can also start with the green color if you have. That will be great. Okay guys, and now the first thing we need to do is we need to make some thing like this, the line, right? At first we need to go like this, right? All right, okay, and then you just go like this. All right, okay, after that it's basically you copy this to the other side, so you're mirroring this design, this curve line here, so it will be like this. So start from here, you can follow me like this guys, right? Like this. Okay, after that you go this curve like this. All right, perfect. Okay guys, then you can make like double line like this to emphasize the line. Okay, now we have this, beautiful shape. Then next one I will draw the branch at the top, so I will be the use the brown color, right? All right, speaking about the pear, right, it's really good fruit because it can keeps your heart happy, because eating pears help your heart stay strong by keeping your blood pressure normal and lowering bad stuff in your blood, right? Okay, let's focus again to draw this one. So the branch is something like this. So you go like this, then like this. Wow, it's pretty easy, right? Then you just give a color. Okay, right, you block with the color. Then after that we going to use the green again to create the leaves over here. So I will show you how to make a leaf. So you make a curved line like this, right? And then also from here to go this way, right, like this. So looks beautiful already, right? Then right after that I will give this color to the leaf first. So I will give this color to the leaves, so you guys can follow also at home, right? Helps you guys think about the pear. I like to eat pear, and it's really great fruit, I guess, because also I study a bit about pear. It's good for our skin. Pears helps your skin looks nice and not too wrinkly because of the good stuff inside them, right? Okay, next we going to draw the beautiful part. All right. Okay guys, the fun part is we need to add some ice over here, so you guys can follow me like this. So you just create one circle like this, then the other one is here. All right, looks nice. Okay, after that you just give a small mouth like this. Okay, then on here on the eyes you can give a more circle like this, so something like this, then like this, right? Then the same thing here, circle inside here, and then also the circle one inside here. So after this you just need to give black color here. Okay, you draw a black here, right guys? Nice. Okay, you guys follow me until here, right? Oh, looks nice, right? Looks beautiful. We can show our result to our parents if you guys follow the video and asking the opinion about it. All right, okay, looks pretty nice. Oh, it's almost done the eyes. Okay, all right, looks nice. Okay, you can see, right, we already have eyes expression here, to smile. And then the next one we going to give some red color here. So here we give something like a shy expression here. So you can follow me like this. Can keep to something like this. Yes, then here also, guys. Right. Okay, cool. All right. Then after that, you guys can continue the color. So give a color to the, you know, to the inside here, right? So you just can start like this, like me. Okay, just coloring like this will be looks great. So I suggest you to color and then to enjoy the process of the coloring, because this part is a really good experience, right? Okay, looks pretty nice already. I like this coloring process, guys. It makes me like I want to enjoy the coloring process as much as possible. Hope you guys also have the same feeling, right? So it's nearly end. It's almost done. Oh, okay, we careful. All right. So in here also it's almost done, and then in here. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, looks nice, right? Looks great already. See this one. All right. It's almost done. All right. Yes, looks great, guys. And I think the last one, I need to add some dark green to the leaves here. So as you can see, leaves have this kind of thing, right? So you can follow me like this. Do something like this, and then give 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Right. Okay, guys, I think it's done already. This is the pear looks like, and hope you guys learning something today, and then hope you guys having fun with me with drawing. And then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow us for the next video, and see you guys. Thank you so much. See you.